Carubba. Hello, welcome, and thank you for insisting on Carubba Collision. Chances are that you've experienced a mishap to your vehicle, and I hope no one was injured. We will do our best to make sure that you are taken care of to minimize the inconvenience. I want you to know that we have developed and centered our processes around you, our valued customer. I am sure that you'll find the repair experience hassle-free and seamless. We're proud of the fact that we have won countless customer service awards. Our staff has been trained to make sure that you get the best quality, service, and price in the business. Every one of our locations has an insurance liaison who'll greet you as you enter and will assist you in filing a claim. We have Enterprise Rent-A-Car at our stores, so you can drive off without worrying about transportation. We also have licensed insurance adjusters who will get approvals fast. Finally, and most importantly, we have the best-in-class technicians that are all certified on all makes and models using the very best products and equipment to produce a better-than-new repair. Just click on and call the number at the bottom of the screen, and we can start your hassle-free repair today.